ISRO's commercial arm NSIL to invest Rs 10,000 crore in 5 years, looking to make PSLV. New Space India Limited, NSIL, the commercial arm of ISRO, which started operations in 2019, has clocked a revenue of Rs 300 crore in its first year and is now looking at a revenue of Rs 400 crore from operations in 2020 to 2021. Additionally, the company is looking to invest Rs 2,000 crore per year for 5 years and up its manpower capability from the existing 2025 to 300 to cater to the country's and international space requirements. The money will be raised by a mix of equity and debt, Narayanan G., Chairman NSIL, told media persons on Friday. He said that the enterprise was foreseeing a paradigm shift, from having a mandate to produce and operate launch vehicles from ISRO, to procuring, owning, launching and providing space-based services, primarily in the communication sector to its various customers. As per a top source from the organization, more revenue comes from satellite-related missions than launches. NSIL has already started discussions with users about communication satellite capacities. It is also in talks with the Department of Space to take ownership of 2 communication satellites. NSIL is also looking at owning the already operating satellites in space. We propose to take over the satellites run by ISRO, said Narayanan. The space enterprise, which has been incorporated as a completely government-owned enterprise with a paid-up capital of Rs 10 crore on March 6, 2019, has an authorized capital of Rs 100 crore. A recent budget announcement identified 700 crore for the company in the coming financial year. How it will be taken into the company is under discussion, said Narayanan. With a global demand for launching small satellites, the enterprise is looking at production of the PSLV and is expecting to engage with industry partners in the next 6 months. The enterprise is looking at capturing a mid-segment class of vehicles. Today we are the best in the world to cater to that segment of the market. The other competitive vehicle in similar class to PSLV is Arianespace's, Italian, Vega. Whereas Soyuz, Russia, and SpaceX, USA, are heavy-lift launchers. PSLV is ideally suited for mid-segment satellite with its success rate, number of launches performed in India and commercial competitiveness, said Radhakrishnan D., Technical and Strategy Director, NSIL. He told the New Indian Express that the enterprise eventually aims to produce GSLV, GSLV Mk3, and SSLV launch vehicles. So far, NSIL has launched 342 satellites from 24 countries, with 80% of all small satellites being from the U.S. NSIL to launch 4 international satellites by 2023. The launch of 4 international satellites is on the anvil for NSIL. While refusing to disclose details of the customers due to a non-disclosure clause, Radhakrishnan D., Technical and Strategy Director, NSIL, on Friday said the company has 4 dedicated international launch service agreements, of which 2 will be launched next year and 2 more the year after that. 3 of these launches will be on board ISRO's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, and 1 will be via the Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, SSLV. He was confident that the order book target will be achieved in a big way, with 2 communication satellites coming into the picture. NSIL is looking to clock a revenue of Rs 400 crores in 2020-21 and has the same projected revenue for 2021-22. While this central public sector enterprise, CPSE, has been planning to take over ISRO's communication and remote sensing satellites to add to its revenue, Narayanan G., Chairman NSIL, said the enterprise is looking for new emerging demands for satellite services and will concentrate on it. In the 2 years of its existence, NSIL executed launch services spread over 4 PSLV missions for 45 auxiliary customer satellites and a recent one, a primary satellite for in Brazil. Towards the manufacture of PSLV, its core strength globally for mixed launches, NSIL has already issued the request for proposal for identifying an industrial partner. In the meantime, NSIL is also looking to acquire 2 communication satellites for DTH in broadband, and Narayanan said discussions are on at an advanced stage with the Department of Space, DOS. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.